There we go. Now, you need to take this bracket off right here. These two 10mm bolts, you take them out and then move the bracket back and put the bolts back in there, just like you do the alternator. That way you have everything. And if you're replacing an alternator, to get it out, you take a pry bar like that, get it up under it, and pry it up after you get the bolts out. Pry it up on this side, pry it up on this side, keep working it. And then to put one back in, you see these actually slide this way and that way, this way and that way. They're stuck. I mean, they're going to be stuck. But tap them this way, put your new alternator in, then put your bolts in, and then when you tighten the bolts down, it'll pull that right there up against that alternator. You see that? So you'll be good there. Alright, once I get this bracket laid out of the way, you want to take that off so that you can lay the bracket out of the way. Okay? The bracket with the power steering pump. It's actually going to come up and sit right over here. Right here. I may be able to lay it back on the steering column. You never know.